Take one strip of headers and cut into 7 groups of 3. Put the spare aside. Place the headers into the power distribution board along the line of 3s. Attach the power plug and flip the unit over. Solder the ends of the power plug. Solder the headers. Flip the unit over. Cut the second strip of headers into 2 groups of 6 and 2 groups of 8. Insert the headers into the Arduino. Attach the power distribution board to the Arduino. Solder the headers. Cut the strip of right angle headers into 3 groups of 3. For each of the magnetic encoders, insert a right angle header and solder.